What's up, guys? Welcome to LATROBE. It's Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what's in the shop. We'll start in the tint bay. We've got Kevin and Terrell working on a Honda Accord. They're sliding that back window into place right now. We've got lots of tint on the schedule, still booking out a couple of weeks, I think, which is weird for this time of year. We have a Mitsubishi Eclipse. You may have seen our reel on Instagram with this car. So this needs stripped and retinted. The back window was bubbling up in purple and coming off in little tiny pieces. What you're seeing now is actually a garbage bag. It's sort of a trick that we use to hold moisture in there to help us remove the window. So we're trying to save those defrosters, but that tint is like 20 years old and it is not wanting to come off. So we've got two very different green vehicles here. One is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. I absolutely love this car, love this color. This is probably exactly what I would buy if I got a Huracan. This one got a full wrap with paint protection film, a ceramic coating all the way around, ceramic coating on the interior, window tint all the way around, including windshield. So basically everything we do is on this car. It's for our friend Guy. And the other green thing is a tractor, John Deere. This, as well as all of the attachments, got polished and ceramic coated. It is ready to go home. Right beside the tractor is a Turbo S. This is a 992 Turbo S. It's the first new body style Turbo S we've had in here. It's brand new. I think the car has 400 miles on it. We're doing a stealth conversion on it. So full wrap and expel stealth. You can see a few pieces are done here and there. That'll be done probably between today and tomorrow. And right beside the Turbo, we've got a Mustang GT. This is our Roush edition. And we installed a radio in this car, which we don't do too often anymore, but they wanted to upgrade that. Now we're doing a full paint correction and a coating on it. So this paint was in kind of rough shape. It's coming back to life really well though. So when this thing's coated, it is going to look beautiful. And back in this bay, there's a BMW X5. This is getting paint protection film installed. We've got the hood, the fenders, and the mirrors done. Once the lift is available, we're gonna be putting it up on there to do the front bumper. It's also getting a wear and tear package. In front of the GT, we've got a Tesla Model Y. We're always working on a Tesla. This one just got the rear wheel impact area. So this gets beat up really badly on the Teslas. So the customer decided to get that taken care of. I think there's already a full front end. Yeah, there is on this car that we did previously, and a ceramic coating. And in front of the Tesla is one of my favorite projects we've been working on. It's ready to go home. A full stealth conversion on this brand new M3 Competition. And we also tinted the windows. We ceramic coated the car. We installed a stripe on the roof at the customer's request that has the BMW colors. It's an opaque stripe, so you can still see the carbon coming through that stripe, which is pretty cool. Then he also asked us to install a carbon fiber grille. And lastly, we tinted the marker lights. And on the lift, we have another Porsche. This one's a Panamera Turbo. This had paint protection film previously installed. The car's a 2012. I don't know if we did the install originally. I don't think that we did. We removed that, put new film on, and now it's getting polished and coated after that. So the paint on this one is pretty rough as well, but I am confident it's going to clean up just like that Mustang did. All right, outside we've got a truck lined up for window tint. This one needs the driver window stripped and retinted because it was getting nicked with the seat belt. We have an Escalade. This one was in here a little while ago. They had to fix something with the bumper. There was paint damage. They called the dealership or something and they fixed it. So now it's here for us to do paint protection on that bumper. The BMW motorcycle is in yearly inspection, as well as this Grand Wagoneer. And the F-150 had a couple spots lifting on the film, so we went ahead and took care of that. We always stand behind our warranty. And the camper, you guys probably remember from last week, this one got polished all the way around. The whole box is coated. Now we've got some PPF to do on it, and then those areas are going to be getting coated. So hopefully by the end of this week, this one will be going home. It got lots of stuff going on. We have to do a big piece of film across the front of that. It's going to be interesting. And these are those accessories from the mower that is inside. Those are all coated and ready to go home too. So that's all that's happening in LATROBE. We're still crazy busy for this time of year. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Here we have a 1957 Bel Air. This is not your typical Bel Air. You may recognize this vehicle from Jeff Lutz from Street Outlaws. This one is all done up on the inside here, so this is not your typical Bel Air you see on the road every day. This is a race car, essentially. This is in for a full body PPF wrap, along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Here in the tint bay, we have a Toyota Supra. This is in for a window tint job, and Brandon is finishing this up by doing the full windshield in our XR Plus 55% tint. As you can see, this is a very unique paint job. This is a factory matte paint from Toyota. Here we have Mark doing an annual checkup on this 2021 BMW X5. This was in last year for a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. It's back in this year for a little detail and a maintenance checkup. In the back, we have a 2021 Range Rover Sport. This one is in for a full front paint protection film, a wear and tear package, and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Up on the lift is this 2023 Porsche Macan GTS. This is in for the 2 front windows to be tinted to match the factory tinted back section, a full body paint protection film wrap, along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Our second full wrap of the week is this 2022 CT5B Blackwing. This is in for a full body paint protection film wrap, along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Also in for some paint protection film are these Louboutins. So if you know about Louboutins, they have red bottoms and they are painted so they scuff very, very easily when worn on any hard surface, especially concrete. So these got some PPF on the bottom where they are painted. So now from this portion here, you can see the seam right on the bottom there. That whole lower portion is all protected with our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on here at the Miami location. So over here we have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. This got the front window stripped and retinted with the XPEL XR Plus 20%, and then we did the 70% over the rest of the vehicle, as well as on the sunroofs, and then we did a visor on the front. Cool thing about this Trackhawk is if anybody comes down here to the Fort Lauderdale or Miami area, you can actually rent this thing. So be sure to check out Christian at Car Renters Club and get your hands on this when you come down into the area. All right, so over here we have a 2020 BMW 330i M Sport. This is getting our full front clip package with the XPEL Ultimate Plus. We already did the window tint a couple of weeks ago, so now he's back in for the paint protection film. And once that is done, we are going to be doing the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over the entire vehicle and taking off the wheels and coating those as well. And over here, we just finished this up. This is a 2023 Corvette C8. This one is finished in some sort of white, but it also has a light gray / white interior with the same color suede headliner, which is pretty cool. This one got our XPEL full front clip package, so we did the mirrors, the full front fenders, full hood, front bumper, headlights, and the carbon flash pieces. And then we just finished doing the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over the entire vehicle, and we took the wheels off as well, so you can see how much shinier this car looks in here. And next up on our list, this is a 2022 Lamborghini Huracan Evo. This is a rear-wheel drive model. This one came in for our full front clip package as well as the A-pillars, so everything on the front end as well as the A-pillars there in front of the convertible top got protected with XPEL Ultimate. And this one is next in line for the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and then it'll be ready to go home. And it's also getting the interior coated as well. And that's all that we have going on here this week at the Miami location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and let us know how we're doing. We'll see you guys next week.